Hello everyone and welcome back to Post Network Academy. In today's video, we will learn about Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Basically, it is for ranks. This is a powerful statistical tool used to measure the strength and direction of monotonic relationship between two variables. Here monotonic relationship means direction of the relationship remains consistent. So let's get started. So in many cases the relationship between variables is not linear, making Pearson's correlation coefficient unsuitable. So correlation Spearman rank correlation measures the strength and direction of monotonic relationship between two variables. So again monotonic relationship means direction of the relationship remains consistent. Now it is particularly useful when the data is ordinal or ranked. Basically Spearman's correlation coefficient is used for a ranked data and the relationship is not linear. Spearman's method uses rank instead of raw data, so it uses rank, making it robust to outliers and non-normal distributions. We will discuss about outliers and non-normal distributions later. And the formula RS, S means Spearman's, so correlation S means Spearman is equal to 1 minus 6 di square upon n square minus 1, where di difference between ranks of corresponding values, number of data points, n is number of data points. So let us see an example. So two ladies rank 7 different types of lipsticks. So calculate Spearman rank. Spearman ranks correlation coefficient for the ranks provided. So here data is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G and ranks xi and yi ranks, and di is xi minus yi and di square, you can see that. So it is very simple to calculate Spearman's rank correlation. Just plug all the values, and here if you calculate di square, so 12, and if you plug all the values you will get 1 minus 6 into 12 upon 7 into 7 square minus 1, and finally you will get 0.7857. So the Spearman rank correlation coefficient is 0.786. This indicates a strong positive correlation between the two rankings. The closer RS is to 1, the stronger the positive monotonic relationship. So hope you understood. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.